If this is your first time on my channel, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. In this video, I will tell you the best 5 5-star hotels of Manila. Pan Pacific Manila showcases modern interiors with Filipino culture and art displays. This luxurious 5-star hotel provides an outdoor pool, pampering spa services, and a 4-story shopping arcade. Stylish rooms are fitted with free Wi-Fi and floor-to-ceiling windows with views of Manila Bay and city. All rooms come with a flat-screen TV, DVD player, and oversized work desk. This spacious bathroom has a small TV, a bathtub, and a separate walk-in shower. It is located in the Spanish Quarter of Manila Bay. Pan Pacific Manila is a 5-minute walk from the Robinson Place Mall and a 50-minute drive from the Mall of Asia. It is 8 km from Ninoy Aquino International Airport, and it has also got a free parking. A butler which will be available for 24 hours and can help guests to arrange city tours, prepare a relaxing bubble bath, or even confirm flights. Guests can also exercise at the gym or visit the on-site Adriatico Square shopping arcade. The top floor Pacific Lounge serves international dishes and a daily buffet breakfast. Other dining options include the lobby lounge and pool bar side. Luxury retreat in the heart of the city, the 584 rooms New World Makati Hotel is centrally located in the Wall Street of the Philippines, the bustling financial district of Manila where the Philippine Stock Exchange is situated. Guests of New World Makati Hotel enjoy convenient accessibility. The hotel is 30 minutes drive from Ninoy Aquino International Airport, and close to many embassies, as well being Makati's epicenter of business addresses and upscale shopping venues, including the smart greenbelt area of Ayala Center. The guest rooms and suites of New World Makati Hotel offer impressive city views and are superbly appointed, offering comfort and convenience. Guests can enjoy recreational facilities including a comprehensive fitness center, an outdoor swimming pool, and massage treatments. A business center providing a wide range of business services is also available. The hotel also offers 2,000 square meters of dynamic function space with a ballroom, meeting rooms, glass house, and gallery. Venues with their own residential style kitchens for meetings, conferences, weddings, and other events. Marriott Manila Hotel offers luxurious accommodation across Terminal 3 of Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The hotel features an outdoor pool, a fitness center, and 5 dining options. Marriott Manila Hotel is a 15-minute drive from Makati City and a Bonifacio Global City. For guests who drive, free parking is available. Spacious and air-conditioned, the elegant rooms are equipped with flat-screen TVs, a minibar, and a coffee-tea making facilities. 24-hour room service and free bottled water are provided. Guests can enjoy pampering massage treatments or simply relax in the hot tub at Marriott Manila Spa. The hotel also provides car rentals and laundry services. Marriott Cafe serves a buffet of international and local favorites. Other dining options include Crew Steakhouse Java plus coffee house and a lobby lounge. The hotel boasts numerous leisure facilities such as spa, an outdoor pool, a gym, and 8 dining options. All rooms at EDSA Shangri-La offers floor-to-ceiling windows with magnificent view of either Metro Manila or tropical landscape gardens. The hotel provides cuisines that cater to many different taste buds, Summer Palace offers Cantonese delicacies. Paparazzi delivers a variety of Italian fare while Senju provides refined Japanese dining. Etsa Shangri-La also comes equipped with an outdoor free-form swimming pool and a dedicated slide, two-door tennis courts and a jogging path. Prestigious shopping malls like Shangri-La Plaza and SM Mega Mall are 100 meters away from Etsa Shangri-La, and the Nino Aquino International Airport is 9 kilometers away. Makati Shangri-La, Manila is centrally located in Ayala Center, a shopping and entertainment hub within the Central Business District. It features an outdoor pool and 24-hour aroma therapy and massage services. The Makati Shangri-La is within walking distance of the Ayala and Greenback shopping centers. Nino Aquino International Airport is a 30-minute drive away. City views rooms at Shangri-La Makati come with a 37-inch flat-screen TV, a safety deposit box, and tea coffee making facilities. Attached bathrooms have a separate bathtub and shower. The well-equipped health club includes a fitness center, a sauna and tennis courts. The business center provides a full range of office services. Shangri-La also have a shopping arcade and a tour desk, offering one of the Manila's most popular buffet. Circles event cafe features open kitchens. Other restaurants serve Japanese, Chinese and international dishes. Cocktail and live entertainment can be enjoyed at the open air Convoys Bar. Makati is a great choice for travelers interested in business, entertainment and clothes shopping.